Hi guys! For today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-request ng marriage certificate online through psahelpline.ph. Disclaimer lang po, all names or details of requestor are sample only. Kapag nasa website ka na ng psahelpline.ph, click Get Started. Would you like to continue or start over? Click Start a New Order. Since marriage certificate yung request natin, click Marriage. And then, click I accept the terms and condition and privacy policy. Click Continue. I am requesting for the certificate of myself. Click Continue. Requestor information. As the requestor, you need to present your valid government-issued ID upon delivery in the address indicated. Our courier will not release the PSA certificate to anyone but you. You have to type your first name, your maiden middle name, your maiden last name, your married last name, your birthday, example, August 18, 1985. Government issued ID type, select. Since ang meron tayo ay SSS, Unified Multi-Purpose ID, so click that one and click Continue. Please make sure that this is how your name appears on your marriage certificate. So, review mo yan. Dapat tama yan. Click Continue. Please enter your husband's name as it appears on your marriage certificate. Sample of your husband, first name, Roel. Middle name, D. Last name, of course, Cruz. Click Continue. Date of marriage, example, June 1, 2011. Click Continue. Place of marriage, country, province, and municipality. Select province. Example, Sultan Kudarat, Municipality, Bagong Bayan. Click Continue. Was the certificate registered late? Kapag yes, click yes, it was registered late. Kapag no, click no, it was registered on time. What is the purpose of your request? Maraming choices dyan, pero to be safe, others na lang. Reason, for personal use. Click Continue. Was there any legal proceeding done with the certificates? Please be sure with your answer because if you indicate none but there was, you might receive a certificate without remarks or annotation instead. Click None kung wala naman and then Continue. Delivery and contact information. Guys, please make sure na complete ang delivery and contact information dahil kung hindi, hindi ka makakapag-proceed. House number and street name, example 123B. Subdivision or building name. Example, Bel Air. Province. Example, City of Makati. Barangay. Example, Bel Air. Zip code 1227. Next, enter your correct mobile number. Please make sure na correct ito dahil magte-text po sa inyo ang PSA about sa status ng inyong request. Next, enter your correct email address and mag-i-email din po sa inyo ng status ninyo ang PSA. Then, click continue. Order confirmation, dito po pwede nyo pong i-check lahat ng mga details na in-input natin kanina. Dito rin kayo magse-select kung ilang copies ang gusto nyo. Example, 2 copies. Amount due, 680. Next, click continue. And there you go, the payment options. Meron tayong online payment, over-the-counter, ATM, or other options. Example tayo sa over-the-counter payments through Palawan Pawn Shop. Click proceed to payment. Enter your email or mobile number. Click send instructions via email or mobile. After that, ito yung matatanggap mong text message from PSA na pwede mo nang bayaran yung order mo. At kapag hindi mo pa siya nabayaran, ito naman ang ite-text sa iyo ng PSA. Reminder siya na your order is still unpaid. At kapag nabayaran mo na, ganito naman ang matatanggap mong text message from PSA just to inform you that your PSA order is now being processed at the PSA. Once na-delivered at na-receive mo na ang order mo, ito naman ang matatanggap mong message from them. Ito naman yung mga sample confirmations via emails. At ito naman yung matatanggap pong emails on how to pay your order via Palawan Pawn Shop. And ito na ang ating marriage certificate. So guys, if you learned from this video, please bigyan niyo po ako ng maraming likes and positive reactions. And please do share this video and subscribe sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe sa akin. And don't forget to hit the bell notification button para maging updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos pa natin. And sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-order dyan, please try nyo na pong mag-order through psahelpline.ph. Thank you.